Time zones, why they matter and why we need them. And we're going to be using this today on the Miss Myers Show.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need.
So you might wonder why I have this delicious watermelon. And why we're using this is because, and let me take this sticker off, it's because this is a sphere that truly kind of represents our Earth. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that this is the globe. Now, why we have time zones is because it's based on really the sun and where it sets throughout here on our Earth. So our Earth spins 360 degrees every single day. So knowing that, we can work out just how far the Earth turns in 1 hour. So by doing that, we take 360, which is all the way turned around, and we divide that by 24, which is the hours of the day. That gives us 15 degrees. So every hour, our Earth spends 15 degrees. And here's our sun. So right here, this is the great, wonderful place of Walt Disney World, and the sun is shining directly on here at 2:15 p.m. Over here on the other side of the world, let's say there's China, it's dark. So the time is going to be different. But as the Earth turns and the sun, it gets hit in different areas, your time is going to be different there as well. So that's the reason that we have time zones. Sadly, a lot of people do not even know what time zones are or where they are located. Here's an example.
And how do you guys have someone who lives in another country that you know?
Yes.
Yes, who is it?
My uncle and aunt.
Where do they live?
In Vietnam.
Do you know what time it is there?
No, I don't.
Oh, do you? Do you know what time it is in Vietnam?
No, I don't.
All right. Hey, little girl, do you know what time, I like your shirt, do you know what time it is in Disney World? You just know that you want to go back? Yeah, me too. So here, if we're looking at the world time zones right here, it shows how the time zones are not divided by perfectly straight lines. Some lines are based on a country's borders or population centers, which means that certain countries don't want to be split, with their time zone, half in one time zone and half in the other. America, really, we don't care because, as you can see, we are divided into 4 different time zones. Now, down here at the bottom, we do see that there are, starting here with 0, that's going to be right here, and that's going to be your prime meridian. And you're going to have negative numbers going this way and positive numbers going this way. So if we're saying, right here in Africa, it is, let's say 2 o'clock p.m. Going forward, where you see the +1, it would then be in this time zone 3 o'clock p.m. and in this one 4 o'clock p.m., 5 o'clock p.m., and so on. When you would go with the minuses here, if it was, like I said, 2 o'clock p.m. in Africa, let me just grab my pencil so we can do that. Let's say if it's 2 o'clock here in Africa and we're going back over here, that would mean that it is 1 o'clock p.m., 12 o'clock p.m. So it goes backwards and forwards. So the way that you would really be able to distinguish which time it was and which time zone is to really determine the time in this section of the 0 of the prime meridian. Now that's only when you're looking at world time zones.
Now in other countries, it can be possibly that it's a completely different day. And that's because we have something that's called the international date line. Now when you cross the international date line, it actually turns into another day. For example, I'm going to call my BFF Liz, otherwise known as Queen Elizabeth. you know, the coolest school. Ah, stop it, Liz.
Yes, I do. Oh, right, you tell your students that Queen Lizzie said hello. Talk to you later, girlfriend. Bye.
All right, girl, you call me when you wake up. Bye. So that's why time zones are super important. So remember that, and I'll see you soon. Have a great week.
Time never
It's
tastes
raining tacos